Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: square root of x equals to square root of 27 plus square root of 3. Let's provide the solution very quickly, and by copy you have a square root of x which equals to square root of 27 plus square root of 3, right? So we're going to solve this question step by step. So you have square root of x which equals to, this 27 can be changed into square root of here 9 times square root of 3, then plus square root of 3. Alright, so you have square root of x which equals to, this square root of 9 can be 3 square root of 3, then plus square root of 3. Alright, this is what I have here. Square root of x here, it will be, here we have 1, so that because we have same side, so we are going to add these coefficients we have, will be 4 square root of 3. Alright, then here at this stage we can write this one as square root of x which is equals to square root of here, this is 4 squared times 3. Once it goes inside right here to get square root of x which equals to square root of here 16 times 3, so that here square root of x will be square root of 48. Then here square both sides, then this one go, this one go, to get x which equals to 48. And of course here we can check if the answer we have given, we have got, if it is correct. Square root of x which equals to square root of 27 plus square root of 3. Right here we have square root of 48 which equals to square root of 27 plus square root of 3 question mark. And of course this is square root of 16 times 3 which equals to, here have seen that this is square root of 3 plus square root of 3, and of course this will be 4 square root of 3 which is equals to 4 square root of 3. So here left hand side equals to right hand side. So I can say that thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next time.